Hi everyone, welcome back. Today our recipe is mushroom curry. It's very easy to make curry recipe. Okay, let us see the ingredients. Here I am going to use around 13 button mushrooms. I already cleaned it and I removed the stem also. Also I am going to use one bigger size or red onion finely chopped, one bigger size tomato, and around I am going to use 12 cashew nuts, crushed ginger and garlic 1 tablespoon, 4 dry chili, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, salt as per taste. Also we are going to use heavy whipping cream for around 2 tablespoon. Also I am going to use 3 teaspoon of oil. These are all the ingredients. First of all, we need to cook the tomato in the hot water. See, the skin started coming out. This is the time. I am going to grind the tomato and cashew nuts, dry chili, cumin seeds and black pepper also. While adding tomato, add cashew nuts also in the hot water. Grind it, make a fine mixture. Heat oil in the pan. Now I am going to saute finely chopped red onion. When it gets slightly transparent, then we'll add crushed ginger and garlic. Then I'm going to add the mushrooms, sauteed at least 2 to 3 minutes until the mushroom color changed, also it shrink. Now it's ready. Now I'm going to add the ground mixture of tomato, cashew nuts, black pepper, cumin seeds and dry chilies. These are all the only masalas for this mushroom curry. We are not going to add any other extra spices. Here I am rinsing that cup. Mix it thoroughly and allow them to cook for next 6 minutes. Then we'll add the heavy whipping cream. I am adding salt also. Check the salt. Here the water amount is reduced. So now this is the time I am going to add the whipping cream. After adding the cream, just mix it everything together for next 2 minutes. That's enough. Then switch off the flame and transfer into the bowl, and then it's ready to serve. You can serve this mushroom curry with naan, roti, chapati or idli dosa or any kind of variety rice, especially ghee rice, jeera rice also. Try this mushroom curry recipe and send your feedbacks. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.